I'm Rev Bouwman, and privileged to be back in WA. I could be at home pushing snow, but I'd rather be at the beach. Last year I delivered 5 lectures on who is God and why it matters. As circumstances had it, though, I wasn't able to finish that series to my satisfaction. It's good to know that God is love, is simple, is holy, is almighty, but how does that affect the way you shine your shoes? The Seek Wisdom learned that over the months since I left, I had the opportunity to spend some time on this particular topic. I made it the business to ask whether I could deliver another lecture to finish this series. So yes, I'm happy to do so. I'd like to speak with you about the fear of God. The fear of God. Does that mean we should be scared of God? Or have deep reverence for God? And if that's what it is, what's it look like? Or might the fear of God be something else altogether? So there's the one topic. But there is a second topic that's been much on my mind in the last number of months, and that's the confusion we feel in relation to the church. I'm referring to the fact that across the Western world, countless churches stand empty, or nearly so. At the same time, there's some 66,000 denominations around the globe at the moment. In relation to ourselves, we see the presence of sin, of weakness, of brokenness in our own midst. Brothers, for example, not talking together. And on the other hand, we're seeing churches around us where at first glance that brokenness isn't there to the same extent as we see it in ourselves. It all contributes to confusion of what the church is, and concern even as to what's to become of the church in the years ahead. Well, the book of Revelation begins with Jesus' 7 letters to 7 weak, broken churches. And it ends with 4 portraits of the New Jerusalem, the beauty and the glory of the bride of Christ, the church, perfected. It would seem to me the message that comes through is that our Lord Jesus Christ is not confused nor discouraged on accounts of the brokenness he's seeing in his churches. On the contrary, his agenda in gathering his church is unfolding as per his plan. And that means there's an abundance of hope and optimism for us. That too is material I would love to share with you. So, looking forward to the next couple of Seek Wisdom lectures. See you there.